So what topic we will discuss today? So same acid base will discuss now today also. Am I audible right, ma? Only Kaushika.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we'll wait for some time. Other will join. Then we'll start. Okay.
Sir, Kaushik, Kaushik.
ஆ
கேக்குதாடா?
ஆ
Shall we start, ma? Kaushik, which topic we have to start today? Yesterday we discussed acid, base, and salt, right? Shall we discuss the same?
எஸ் சார்
இல்ல ஒருத்தனையும் காணும் இன்னைக்கு. இல்ல நீ ஏதாவது டவுட் இருந்தா கேளு கௌஷிக். அது வரைக்கும் we'll discuss the same other
ஒன்
things.
செகண்ட்
வெங்கடநாதன், நீ இப்ப உனக்கு டவுட்ஸ் இருந்தனா என்ன கேட்டுன்னு இருக்கலாம்ப்பா. மத்தவங்க ஜாயின் பண்ற வரைக்கும் என்ன என்ன கௌஷிக் சொல்லுப்பா.
நத்திங் சார் ஐரன் கார்ட்
என்ன 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 கௌஷிக்?
நான் கூப்பிடல சார்
ஓகே. வெங்கடநாதன் சொல்லுப்பா.
சார் டவுட் இல்ல சார்.
டவுட் இல்ல. சரி, நம்ம இப்போ ஆசிட் பேஸ் அது ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணுவோமா? நம்ம வந்து கெமிக்கல் ரியாக்ஷன் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணிருக்கோம். மெட்டல்ஸ் நான் மெட்டல் பண்ணிருக்கோம். இன்னைக்கு வந்து ஆசிட் பேஸ் சால்ட்ஸ். Now So yesterday we saw something, then we'll continue that. Which has a higher pH value. One molar HCl or 1 molar sodium hydroxide, which has higher pH.
So what mode of NaOH?
கொஞ்சம் சவுண்டா.
Sir,
Which has higher pH, ba?
sir, 1 mole of sodium hydroxide.
Sodium.
So because as sodium hydroxide is a base, the pH value will be more than 7, and as HCl is acid, it will be below 7. So sodium hydroxide will have more.
Very good. Since the pH plus pOH is 14. Okay, va? So pH ங்கிறது என்னது? Minus log of H plus. H plus ion concentration. So sodium hydroxide, you can find out the pOH. Minus log of OH minus. When you're finding the pOH, you have to substitute over here and subtracting 14 from that pOH, you will get the pH. Whereas for the acid, you can directly calculate from that. That's why the pH of sodium hydroxide is more than hydrochloric acid. Okay. An aqueous solution has the pH value of 7. Is the solution acidic, neutral, or basic?
Sir, repeat.
Yeah, aqueous solution has the pH 7. Is the solution is acidic, basic, or neutral?
Neutral, sir.
Neutral, sir.
Why?
So because pH
uh,
is 7, so it's neutral.
Very good. So it is a neutral. Tooth enamel is one of the oddest substance in our body. How does it undergo damage due to eating chocolate and sweets? What should we do to prevent it? ஏன் இதுக்கு ஆன்சர் பண்ணுங்க.
So bacteria is present in the mouth which produces acids.
Okay.
So by degradation of sugar and food particles, So for
Hmm.
preventing this, we can use toothpaste.
Why we are using toothpaste?
So because it's
Sir,
basic in nature to control
the pH
to
inside the
become
mouth
So what
drops
is the
below
nature
5
of what is the pH of toothpaste?
basic, sir.
That line you have to write. Okay. So what you are saying, right? Because the pH of mouth below 5.5, that is acidic. So the bacteria present in that mouth produces acid by the degradation of sugar and corrode the tooth enamel actually. So to prevent it by using a toothpaste, we can prevent that because they are basic in nature. Okay. And then how do H plus ion exist in water? You have to account how do H plus ions exist in water.
Sir, the H plus ion cannot exist alone. One second, sir.
Hmm.
It cannot exist alone, so it combines with water to form
Hmm.
H3O plus.
Very good. H3O plus ion. So H plus ion exists in water as a hydronium ion. Okay.
Right.
Next question. State the relation between hydrogen ion and the concentration of aqueous solution and pH. So relationship between H plus ion concentration of aqueous solution and its pH. எப்படி relate பண்ணுவீங்க? How could you relate these things?
Sir, can you scroll down, sir, for the question?
Hmm. Could you see the screen, right? Tell me. சொல்லுங்கப்பா. relationship between H plus ion concentration of the solution and its pH. What is pH first? What is pH, ma? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
What is pH?
So the power of hydrogens.
pH equal to minus log of that equation. You tell me.
Which equation, sir?
யாருக்கு தெரியலையா?
Sir.
When H plus ion concentration is more, then pH is less, and vice versa. When the H plus ion concentration is less, the pH is more because the pH of a solution is inversely proportional to the H plus ion concentration. So the pH is equal to minus logarithmic of H plus ion concentration. Okay, so this is what you have to tell that answer. Okay, wow. The next question. புரியுதா தம்பி?
Yes, sir.
Give the suitable reason for the following statement. Rainwater conduct electricity. But distilled water does not. Does not. What is the reason?
So as rainwater contains H plus ions, H plus ion it conducts electricity, but distilled water is neutral. And, it's not acid nor a base, so it does not conduct it.
Sorry, pardon. Rainwater?
The rainwater contains H plus ions. So it conducts electricity, whereas distilled water is neutral, so it is neither an acid nor a base, so it does not conduct electricity.
But rainwater contain?
H plus ion, sir.
Hello. H plus ion means what you are saying? So you are off the way, right? Not full. Okay, wow. So what you have to say? Distilled water is the purest form of the water. Okay. So it does not or neither acidic nor basic. So it is a neutral. That is why it is not dissociate into ion. So it will not conduct the electricity. For the conduction of electricity, it required free ions. Ions na ION. Okay. So when you are taken the rainwater, it may contain many dust particle or ion. Some other case you have the SO2 gas acid water. அதெல்லாம் என்ன பண்ணுனா it will give that will be the responsible for the electric conductivity of rainwater. So first என்ன சொல்லணும்? Distilled water is a pure form of water. Pure form of water. Okay. So என்னது? It's neither acidic nor basic. Neither acidic nor basic. So it is a neutral. It is neutral. So it will not dissociate. It does not dissociate into ions. So for the conduction of electricity required ions, free ions. Okay. Conduction of electricity required free ions. So the rainwater being an impure form of water. நீங்க உடனே கேட்கலாம் சார் அதான பியூரஸ்ட் ஃபார்ம் சொல்லுவாங்க அப்படின்னா, பட் இட் கண்டெயின் வித் அட்மாஸ்பியர்ல வரும்போது என்னன்னா அட்மாஸ்பியர் டஸ்டோட சேர்ந்து வந்துன்னா அது இம்பியூர் ஆயிடும். இம்பியூர் ஃபார்ம் ஆஃப் வாட்டர் contain many ionic species which is responsible for the conduction of electrical conductivity. Okay va? Okay, acceptable answer. புரியுதா தம்பி? Is it okay? யாரும் இருக்கீங்களா இல்லையா? இப்ப யாராவது ஆன்சர் பண்ணுங்கப்பா. கௌஷிக், Kaushik, am I audible, Kaushik?
Yes, sir.
We feel burning sensation in the stomach when we overeat. Why?
Sir, because as
Mm.
HCl is present in our stomach for digestion,
Mm.
because when we overeat the HCl is produced too much. HCl produces too
Correct.
much acid, so it causes pain and irritation.
Too much HCl is produced. This is the reason for the burning of. And then a tarnished copper vessel regains its shine when rubbed with lemon. Why? Why, pa? So the tarnish of copper due to.
Sir, because as copper vessel forms a basic layer of copper oxide. So it
No.
is cleaned by lemon.
Basic
Lemon
due
is
to the
acidic acid.
formation of basic copper
Basic
carbonate.
copper oxide.
Carbonate ma, not copper oxide. That is Cu2OH twice CO3 is the form of, okay, which get neutralized when rubbed with lemon. And the copper vessel regains its shine. Okay.
Yes, sir.
அடுத்த the crystal of washing soda changed to white powder on exposure to air. சொல்லுங்க. What is the reason?
So when washing soda is exposed to air, the crystals lose water and uh, you turn into monohydrate form. And appear as a white powder.
So decahydrate exposed to air become Na2CO3 and H2O. Correct?
Sir.
That is the reason why. Okay, good. An aqueous solution of sodium chloride is neutral, but an aqueous solution of sodium carbonate is basic. Why? Why? When you're saying type of salt, you will get the answer.
Sir, aqueous solution of sodium chloride contains a number of H plus ions and OH minus ions. So hence it's neutral salt. And sodium carbonate is a salt of weak acid, carbonic acid, and strong base sodium hydroxide.
Very good.
Thus, the salt
So
solution
sodium
contains.
chloride, you have to say sodium chloride is a salt of strong acid and strong base. Strong acid HCl and strong base sodium hydroxide. So that it is neutral. Okay. So whereas sodium carbonate is a mixture of bicarbonic acid and then sodium hydroxide. It's a weak acid and strong base. That's why it is basic in nature. Okay.
Yes.
Mm. 11th question. Water is a neutral substance. Water is neutral substance. When color, what color will you get? Will you get when you add a few drops of universal indicator to a test tube containing distilled water. சொல்லுங்கப்பா.
Sir, a neutral substance is not an acid or base, so it can be formed by the reaction of any acid and base. So it turns So I think it turns the universal indicator to green color.
Very good. So it is a neutral. At neutral pH, universal indicator has the color of as the green color. Very good answer. Next one. Two solution and A and B have the pH value of A has the pH value of 3.0. A has the pH value and B have the pH value of 9.5. Which of the solution will turn litmus solution into blue? Litmus solution into blue. Litmus solution from blue to red. One. And which will turn phenolphthalein from colorless to pink? Number one, in which of the solution it turns litmus solution from blue to red, and which of the solution will turn phenolphthalein indicator from colorless to pink?
Sir, solution A with pH 3 will be acidic as and it will therefore turn the blue litmus solution to red.
Solution?
Solution A, sir.
Okay. So number one on the solution A. Solution A, the pH value 3. That's why. Okay. And then which solution will turn phenolphthalein from colorless to pink?
The solution B, sir.
That's good. Because solution B is a what nature?
Basic, sir.
So basic nature. When the phenolphthalein in the basic medium, it becomes pink color. So when the solution A, it turns blue to red because they are acidic in nature. Okay. Okay. Write the chemical formula for hydrated copper sulfate and anhydrated copper sulfate, giving an activity to illustrate these two are interconvertible. திரும்ப சொல்லட்டுமா?
Yes, sir.
Write the chemical formula of hydrated copper sulfate and anhydrous copper sulfate, giving an activity to illustrate how these two are interconvertible.
The hydrated copper sulfate is CuSO4 dot 5H2O.
Hydrated copper sulfate.
Yes.
What is the color of this?
Hydrated copper sulfate color, sir? Blue color, sir.
Blue color. And then another one, anhydrous copper sulfate.
CuSO4, sir. CuSO4. So now you tell me the activity. So we should show that they are. What is the activity to show? Question and answer.
Giving an activity to illustrate how these two are interconvertible. How it can be interconvertible? This into this, this into this.
Sir, when copper sulfate, when hydrated copper sulfate is heated, it forms anhydrous copper sulfate, and when anhydrous copper sulfate is added to water, it forms hydrated copper sulfate.
So what activity? So you have to take the copper sulfate and you have to heat it. Okay. So what will happen along the side of the test tube? You can see that water molecule. Okay. After heating. So after heating, water get removed. Then the substance become white in color. The substance become white in color. Okay. So when this solution, when this substance get moistened with the air, you will have the blue color solution. Blue color substance. Okay, wow.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And then next question. Muruga. So which of the following salt does not contain water on crystallization? Does not contain water of crystallization. Number one, blue vitriol. Number two, baking soda. Number three, washing soda. Number four, gypsum. You tell me which will does not contain water on
Baking
crystallization.
soda. Baking soda.
Huh?
Baking soda, sir.
So what is the formula for this?
Sir, sodium bicarbonate. NaS.
What is the formula for blue vitriol?
Ayyo. Hmm. Vitriol.
What is baking soda?
Sir, blue vitriol is copper sulfate dot
Pentavalent.
H5H2.
Baking soda?
NaHCO3.
NaHCO2.
CO3.
Washing soda?
Na2CO3 dot 10H2.
What is gypsum?
PaSO4 dot 2H2.
CSO4 dot 2H2.
Yeah. Good. 15. You have to match the following. Bleaching powder, baking soda, washing soda, and then sodium chloride. So in the side, preparation of glass, production of hydrogen and chlorine, coloration and antacid. சொல்லுங்க இதுக்கு என்னன்னு
Sir, baking soda is antacid, sir.
Huh?
Sir, baking soda is used antacid, sir.
So 2
And washing soda is used in the preparation of glass.
washing soda,
Preparation of glass.
okay.
Sir,
Bleaching
isn't,
powder,
sir, isn't caustic soda production of H2 and Cl2?
caustic soda.
NaOH.
So the bleaching powder is the decolorization. And then sodium chloride, it will be used in the production. Okay.
Okay.
A metal carbonate AX on treatment with a mineral acid liberates a gas which when passed through an aqueous solution of substance Y give back X. The substance Y on reaction with the gas obtained at anode during electrolysis of brine gives you compound Z, which can decolorize colored fabric. The compound X, Y, and Z என்ன?
Sir, compound X is calcium carbonate, sir.
சரி.
Okay, compound Y. Concentration. Sir, so Y is calcium hydroxide.
Calcium.
And Z is as it's decolorized bleaching powder, sir. Calcium oxychloride.
So அப்படியே பண்ணுவீங்க. When CaCO3, very good.
Yes.
CO3X, when you are treating mineral acid like HCl, it can give CaCl2 plus CO2 plus H2O. Okay. So when this is treated with calcium hydroxide, the gas which is treated with, it will give calcium carbonate X, reproduce. When the calcium hydroxide treated with chlorine, so you know that the Y on the reaction with the gas obtained anode electrolysis of brine another NaCl. When you are electrolyze, it will give the chlorine gas. So that chlorine gas, when you are treated with calcium hydroxide, it will give CaCl2. That's why it says that. புரியுதா? இந்த மாதிரி கொஞ்சம் டிஃபிகல்ட்டா வந்தாலும் எழுத தெரியும். அடுத்த ப்ராப்ளம். இப்போ மேட்ச் த ஃபாலோயிங் தான். ரியாக்ஷன் எழுதுறேன். First reaction, ammonium hydroxide plus acetic acid gives ammonium acetate plus water. Then 2AgBr gives 2Ag plus Br. And third, zinc carbonate gives zinc oxide plus carbon dioxide. Fourth, 2Al plus Fe2O3 gives 2Fe plus Al2O3. And then thermal decomposition and thermite reaction. Photochemical reaction. And neutralization reaction. You tell me which is the right one?
Sir, option 1. See, so ammonium hydroxide plus acetic acid is neutralization reactions. And AgBr is the photochemical reaction.
Hmm.
And, next is thermal decomposition reaction. And
Hmm.
thermite reaction. Thermite reaction.
Very good. So write the இவ்வளவு இடம் காலி ஆயிடுச்சா? Correct order of acid strength. We have the equimolar of equimolar aqueous solution of HCl, H2SO4, ammonium hydroxide, and sodium hydroxide. Hmm. எப்படி எப்படி எழுதுவீங்க? ஆசிட் ஸ்ட்ரென்த்ல எழுதணும்.
So in the pH paper, how it's showing like that, sir?
Hmm?
Sir, depending on the pH, sir.
pH and H plus ion இருக்கிறத பொறுத்து கூட சொல்லலாம்.
Order of.
HCl வந்து ஒரு H plus ion, but H2SO4 வந்து 2H plus ion.
Sir, first is HCl.
Hmm.
HCl, H2SO4, ammonium hydroxide, sodium hydroxide.
Hmm?
Sir, ammonium hydroxide and sodium. Okay, sir.
Wrong. So I told you again, H2SO4 to contain 2H plus ion. No, that's why it become stronger acid than this. The other order is correct. When you're checking pH, this solution have the equimolar pH. No, 2H plus ion is there, no? pH equal to minus log of H plus ion. Up 2 into, for example, 0.01 molar. This will have the higher value than this, than this, than this. So it will have. Okay, this is the correct one. Add the question. A substance react with another substance B to produce the product C plus C and D gas. A substance A which react with another substance B, it produce a product C and D is the gas. If a mixture of gas D and ammonia pass through the solution of C, baking soda is formed. என்ன சொல்றாங்க? If the mixture of the gas D and ammonia which pass through the solution of C, baking soda is formed. The substance A and B are. Very good question. என்னன்னு சொல்லுங்க.
Sir, NaCl.
Which one NaCl? A வா B ஆ?
A, sir.
A NaCl ஆ? சரி. Then
B is H2.
H2.
B is H2O, sir. H2O.
No.
So, one second.
So look, what is the baking soda?
NaHCO3.
So how will you prepare baking soda? So they said gas. Gas means basically carbon dioxide. Okay. So that carbon dioxide, ammonia, and which will give the sodium bicarbonate. Look here. Here carbon dioxide is there. Hydrogen is there. But what is missing? What is missing? C is here sodium chloride. Sodium chloride, ammonia, carbon dioxide gives ammonium chloride and sodium bicarbonate. Okay, so when it is a sodium chloride plus carbon dioxide, definitely that would be the sodium carbonate, and HA may be the HCl, and then you will along with water. Purida, HCl and sodium carbonate give the 2 moles of sodium chloride, carbon dioxide, and then water. I think 2 HCl, right? 2 NaCl H2O. When the carbon dioxide, water, sodium chloride, and ammonia gives the sodium bicarbonate and ammonium chloride. Is it clear? Okay, ma. We will meet in the next week. Next week we will revise something.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, ma. Bye.